Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick PayRyzen review and breaking down what this fintech platform offers. So let's jump right in. Now, PayRyzen is positioned as a global payment solution designed mainly for freelancers, remote workers, and businesses. And according to their website, the platform lets you open a USD account even if you're not based in the United States, which is a big plus for international users. One of the main features PayRyzen promotes is access to both virtual and physical USD cards. Now, these cards can be used for online shopping, subscriptions, withdrawals, and worldwide spending. They also offer an ACH account, which makes it easier to receive payments from platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and other international clients. Now, in terms of pricing, PayRyzen lists access ranges from $5 to $10 per month. Funding your account can be done through bank transfers, card payments, and local payment networks, depending on your country. That flexibility can be helpful if you're working with international clients or platforms. On the security side, PayRyzen claims to use bank-grade encryption, AI-powered fraud detection, and real-time monitoring to protect users' funds and transactions. However, it's worth noting that some third-party reviews and trust-checking sites suggest PayRyzen is still a relatively new platform with limited public feedback so far. So overall, PayRyzen offers a straightforward package, a USD account, virtual and physical cards, and a global spending tools aimed at freelancers, remote workers, and small teams. Whether it's worth it really depends on how often you'll use the service, how the fees fit your budget, and how comfortable you are using a newer fintech platform. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.